Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. This is Ethio Technology YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, you'll get an information related to computer and mobile. You'll also get how to fix computer and mobile problems. Therefore, let us come to today's video. In this video, you'll learn the fundamentals of computer, or you'll get questions that are related to fundamentals of computer. In this video, you'll get around 25 questions with answer. So attend this video till the end of this video. Okay, let me start the questions. The first question is, here is the first question. Question number 1. MP3 and WAV files are examples of A. Text files, B. Graphic files, C. Audio files, D. Video files. The answer is C. These are audio files. MP3 and WAV files are audio files. Question number 2. Which device connects your computer to the internet? Which device connects your computer to the internet? A. Dongle, B. modem, C. hard drive, D. telephone. The answer is choice B, modem. This modem device connects your computer to the internet. Let me go to the question number 3. Here is question number 3. Going from one website to another website is called what? A. Surfing, B. leaping, C. hyperlinking, D. going to another website. The answer is choice A. Going from one website to another is called surfing. Okay, let me go to question number 4. Adding your comment in a blog or forum is called A. posting, B. fishing, C. streaming, D. advertising online. The answer is choice A, posting. Adding your comment in a blog or forum is called posting. Question number 5. Question number 5 is about website. Which of the following is required to host a website? A. Exchange server, B. database server, C. web server, D. mail server. The answer is choice C, web server. Question number 6. Here is question number 6. Which hardware component can produce hard copy? Which hardware component can produce hard copy? A. printer, B. monitor, C. scanner, D. display adapter. The answer is A. printer. This printer can produce a hard copy. Question number 7. Here is question number 7. A light-sensitive device that converts drawing, printer text, or image into digital form is called A. keyboard, B. scanner, C. plotter, D. OMR. The answer is choice B, scanner is the answer. Question number 8. Buying and selling of goods on the web is known as A. trading, B. e-commerce, C. hypermarket, D. m-commerce. The answer is choice B, e-commerce is buying and selling of goods on the web or on the website. Question number 9. Here is question number 9. E-commerce stands for A. electrical commerce, B. entertainment commerce, C. electrochemical commerce, D. electronic commerce. The answer is electronic commerce, which is choice D. Here is question number 10. Which of the following device you use to save files? A. Compact disc, B. Speaker, C. Monitor, D. Printer. The answer is choice A. Compact disc. Question number 11. Question number 11. Which protocol is used to browse the data? Among these alternatives, the one is used to browse the data. A. TCP, B. FTP, C. TFTP, D. HTTP. The answer is choice D. Let me go to question number 12. Here is question number 12. What is the full form of HTTP? HTTP. A. Hyphenation text program, B. Hypertext Transfer Package, C. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, D. None of the above. The answer is choice C. Hypertext Transfer Protocol is the expanded form of HTTP. Question number 13. Here is question number 13. If the computer displays the wrong date and time, you can reset it using A. Write, B. Write file, C. Calendar, D. Control panel. The answer is choice D. Here is question number 14. Which of the following operating system is available in free domain? Which of the following operating system is available in free domain? A. Mac OS, B. Sun Solaris, C. Windows XP, D. Red Hat Linux. The answer is choice D. Red Hat Linux is available in free domain. Question number 15. Here is question number 15. Who developed the concept of email? A. Bill Gates, B. Sabir Bhatia, C. Ray Tomlinson, D. Arthur C. Clarke. Choice C is the answer. Ray Tomlinson developed the concept of email. Question number 16. Here is question number 16. Email stands for A. Electrical mail, B. Electronic mail, C. Electronic marks, D. Eclipse mail. The answer is choice B. Electronic mail. Question number 17. What type of data can you send via email? A. PDF, B. Picture, C. Video, D. All of this. The answer is choice D. These three files can you send via email. You can send these three files using email. Question number 18. What does BCC stand for in email? A. Blind carbon copy, B. Black carbon copy, C. Business computer card, D. Business computer center. The answer is choice A. Question number 19. What does CC stand for in email? A. Creative Commons, B. Creative Commons, C. Creative Culture, D. Carbon copy. The answer is choice C. Question number 20. Which of the following is not a browser? A. Opera, B. Google, C. Mozilla, D. Firefox. The answer is choice B. Okay, let me stop here, and before I go to the next question, please, if there were not subscriber, or if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and let me go to the next question. Question number 21. When was the first electronic computer built? A. 1946, B. 1955, C. 1964, D. 1967. The answer is choice A. Question number 22. Here is question number 22. Which of the following is or are non-impact printer? Among these alternatives, the one is non-impact printer. A. Inkjet printer, B. laser printer, C. thermal printer, D. all of the above. The answer is choice D. These all three are non-impact printers. Question number 23. Which of the following is an impact printer? A. laser printer, B. inkjet printer, C. daisy wheel printer, D. bevel jet printer. The answer is choice C. Daisy wheel printer is the answer. Question number 24. Here is question number 24. Which shortcut key is used to check spelling? A. F5, B. F7, C. F12, D. F3. The answer is choice B. F7 is a shortcut which is used to check spelling. Question number 25. The last question. What kind of software is designed for users who can customize the programs they use? A. freeware, B. shareware, C. open source software, D. macros in assembly software. The answer for this question is choice C. Open source software. This kind of software is designed for users who can customize the programs they use. Okay, thank you for your attention. Please subscribe my channel and give your comment under this video. Till next time, bye bye.